Guys, welcome to official_Joel TV, where you get analysis and fun facts on law related topics. Our topic on this channel will always be law related, and each video on this channel will feature an historical fun fact. This channel is for everyone who wants to have knowledge or who wishes to have knowledge on law related topics and a bit of black history. I am Joel by name. My learning skills can be said to have emanated from my recently acquired LLB earns at Osun State University, Nigeria. I have garnered experience through what I've learned in school, through moot and mock trials, seminars, conferences, and most especially during my internship stay at RA Ogunwale SAN and Co. I know most of you watching this are literally thinking, why should you subscribe? Well, here's why. I bet you didn't know that the Red Bull owes you money if you drink it regularly. Here's why. Red Bull's famous slogan is Red Bull gives you wings, through which they try to define to customers the high content of energy offered by this drink. Well, in 2013, Benjamin, a United States citizen, sued on the grounds of false advertisement. Of course, Benjamin never expected to actually grow wings, as he knew the slogan was to metaphorically advertise or to represent the high content of energy the energy drink has to offer. But the misleading part which Benjamin sued on in the lawsuit was that the energy drink does not offer as much energy as advertised, as a 250 ml can of Red Bull has less caffeine than a cup of coffee. Can you imagine that? Well, I'm actually pleased to tell you that in 2015, when the lawsuit ended, customers received $13 million in compensation. I mean, $13 million. So if you drink Red Bull regularly, you should sue them and get your money. Hey guys, I think by now you know why you should subscribe to this channel, because this is where you can get legal analysis on law topics, case scenarios that are useful for your day-to-day life, and also a bit of black history. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and please stay tuned to official_Joel TV.